Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be sure you see all of our extremely awesome vehicles just like this one here today. Also on our website, make sure you visit it at sherrychrysler.com. There you can see over 40 to 50 still pictures of the specific truck with a full description of everything that's on it. And that's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we have a brand new arrival 2020 Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi, and it's got all the bells and whistles on it, guys. This thing is bad to the bone. 6-inch lift kit. We sent this out to Rocky Ridge. They put the lift kit on it, put brand new front steel bumpers on it, brand new rims, brand new tires. It's got it all. So starting on the front, you're going to notice we do have a like I said, an upgraded steel front bumper. It's solid steel. It does have the factory monitoring system in the front located on these circles right here. That's going to help you when you're getting close to them cars in front of you, or you're getting in one of them tight spots. It'll notify you when you're getting a little too close. Ridge LED lights here on the outside. Really nice touch to have right there. And then the very large LED light bar right there in the center. 20-inch upgraded blacked out rims wrapped in a 37-inch Mickey Thompson Baja ATZ tire. Really nice tire. Got plenty of meat to it, but there again, it's still quiet while driving down the road. Upgraded flares painted to match. This is a granite crystal color as far as the exterior paint. Upgraded blacked out step-up bars. And as you can imagine, I did not mention in the front, this is a four-wheel drive vehicle. So it's got all the bells and whistles to it. Spray-in bed liner, really nice feature to have. Does have the tracks located on each side of the bed, as you can see here. This is a short bed. Factory painted rear bumper to match the exterior color. Blacked out exhaust tips located on this. This is a dual exhaust vehicle. Rear trailer hitch right there. And it also does have a 4-pin and a 7-pin wiring hookup located right there. All in all, extremely nice vehicle, guys. Like I said, it does have the 6-inch lift. It does have 37-inch tires, 20-inch rim, upgraded front bumper. That's a solid steel bumper. It has really nice rigid cube lighting on each side, and then that very large 30-inch LED light bar right there in the center. On the driver's door, we do have power mirrors, power locks, and power windows. Overhead, the front lighting on this, like I said, on auto, so it does have an auto feature, with a nice feature right there. Power seats right here, 4-way power lumbar located right here. Really nice leather seating. This is a bucket seating configuration, so you do have the center console in the center, with seating up to total people of 5 in this particular truck. On the left-hand side, the steering wheel located right here. All these 4 buttons right here operate your instrument cluster, which is located here in the center, in between your RPM gauge and your miles per hour gauge. Right now, it's set on miles per hour, but that can be changed to a bunch of different stuff. Vehicle information, which would be your tire pressure monitoring system, your transmission fluids, oil change life, and a bunch of other stuff that's built in there. You have all your trip information, trailer tow information, audio information, and then, like I said, like it was on the beginning, which is your speedometer information. So a bunch of stuff's built in there. Really nice feature to have. Definitely if you want to keep up to date on what's going on with your truck on a day-to-day basis. Hands-free capability located right here. Program your phone directly into this vehicle. You simply answer your phone by hitting the green phone button. Carry on the conversation through your speaker system, and when you're done, you hit the red button and you end your call. No more reaching for your cell phone while driving down the road. Definitely a nice safety feature to have. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you do have all your cruise control settings, and then right under that, you have the option of shifting gears if you'd like to manually, located right here. On the back side of the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you can increase the volume with the toggle switch back there, and then on the left-hand side on the back, you have the option of changing your radio station. This is a push-button vehicle. Simply push button, start, stop right there, and then under that, you're going to have your 4-wheel drive system which is all located right here. Right now we're set on 2-wheel drive, but there is a 4-wheel drive auto feature on this, 4-wheel drive high, and then 4-wheel drive low. This vehicle does have a turn knob system, so you simply turn it for reverse, neutral, and drive. And like I did not mention out back, but it does have a factory backup camera located right there. While we're on the radio, this is a very large, extremely cool 12-inch touchscreen radio that can do more features than you could ever imagine. Right now I have it on what we call split screen, so you can set it on split screen to where, for example, my radio, I'm on XM radio, which it does have also, which is a free subscription when purchasing this vehicle new. You have your radio function up top, and then, for example, your navigation system down there. You can change it up. There's a bunch of different stuff that you can have on there. You can have your climate control on there, and a bunch of other stuff that's built in here, which I think I could just check for you. So you can have your media on there, you can have your climate control, your navigation, your phone system for your Bluetooth capability, or also your Sirius XM travel link, which is a really cool feature. Like right now it's showing me it's 50 degrees here where I'm located. It'll show me my weather. It'll show me a bunch of cool stuff that's built in there. Nice feature to have. Or if I want to just have it on one thing, I can switch it to just one whole screen of just the radio. And you know, same with your controls, or not controls, like your navigation. You can switch that directly over and have a full screen of just navigation. As far as controls, it does have heated seats in this for the front for the driver and the front passenger. There's a high, medium, and low setting on this, and it also does have a heated steering wheel. As far as the climate control on this has dual zone climate controls, so you can set it on the driver's side and the passenger at different temperatures if you like, which is a really nice feature to have. And it also has an auto feature where you can hit auto, and it'll take the vehicle to that desired temperature in them individual zones, so that you can basically set your temperature and forget it. It'll increase the speed, decrease the speed, increase the temperature, decrease the temperature to make sure you're maintaining that temperature that you have it set for, which is a nice feature to have. And like I said, it does have a bunch of travel link features in here, so you can check for fuel prices while driving down the road, even movie listings, sport events, current scores, final scores, upcoming games. That's a really cool app to have if you're into that kind of stuff. And like I showed you just a second ago, it does have the weather built directly in there. You can check out a 3 and a 6 hour, a 5 day, and a bunch of stuff that's built in there. It's basically your weather channel in your car. And then you also have a weather map that's located right here. You can check the weather map while driving down the road. And then you also have Sirius XM Traffic Plus, which is a really cool feature to have if you're traveling. You can always check on what's going on in front of you, whether it's traffic jam, construction. That way, if you have a chance to bypass it, you can bypass it easily while driving down the road. And like I showed you, it does have the factory navigation built in there, and you can also pair your phone directly into this vehicle. Underneath that, we do have the factory trailer tow brake right here with your adjustment right above it. Tow haul, and you can turn on and off your front and rear sensors for your monitoring system while parking, for example, right here, just by a push of a button. Very large storage center console right here. As you can see, you have your cup holders with a small console right here. That can be pushed back just like that, and then you have your large console right down there, and you also do have an AC plug down there too. Cell phone ports right here, so you can stick your cell phone in here. Nice little storage area for your cell phone if you'd like it to be. Nice leather armrest with storage underneath it with a USB plug in there, and then underneath that is some more storage, which is a very large compartment underneath that. So all in all, plenty of storage in this truck. Right above the driver's seat, it does have universal garage door openers right here. Up to 3 different garage doors can be programmed in here. It does have a rear power sliding mirror, or not, window, which is located right back there, as you can see. And that rear glass is defrost, so it does have capabilities of being defrosted. Upgraded factory rubber floor mats throughout this vehicle. As you can see, the Ram logo is right there. Really nice when cleaning out your vehicle. You simply take them slush mats out, spray them out, and they're good to go. Same with the rear, upgraded rear slush mat. Leather seating in the rear, just like the front. You do have your AC plug located right here, USB plugs right above that. Also on this rear bench, you do have your child safety hook, so you can securely and safely tether in a car seat up to 3 of them in this rear bench seat. Center console with cup holders, and then this also flips up for more storage underneath, as you can see there. So if you're looking for a lifted up truck, we definitely have them here. We always stock them. We have 7 of them in stock right now. All of them are going to have your 6-inch lift, just like this one here. This one's got 37-inch Mickey Thompson tires on it, on a 20-inch rim. You know, 6-inch lift, like I said, upgraded front bumper, painted to match. That's a steel front bumper, LED lighting in the front, the big center light, and then you also do have your LED cube lighting on the outside, completely blacked out. Just a really, really nice vehicle. So for the guaranteed best price on any Rocky Ridge lifted truck, make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We're one of the largest Rocky Ridge dealers nationwide, and we do ship nationwide. So no matter where you're at in the country, we can put this vehicle in your driveway, no questions asked. If you'd like to take a look at all the still pictures of this and a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. And if you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured you see all of our new arrivals, just like this extremely nice Rocky Ridge K2 Ram right here. And for the guaranteed best price on any Ram truck, no matter if it's lifted or not, make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.